In an emergency, knowing CPR could mean the difference between life and death. I'm going to show you the essential steps that could save someone's life. First, make sure the scene is safe for you and the victim. Check if the person is responsive, tap their shoulders firmly and shout, "Are you okay?" If they don't respond and are not breathing normally, gasping isn't normal. Call 999 immediately. Position yourself beside their chest. Place the heel of one hand on the center of their chest between the nipples. Place your other hand on top, interlocking your fingers. Keep your arms straight and your shoulders directly over your hands. To use your body weight, push hard and fast, compressing at least 2 inches deep for an adult. Let the chest fully recoil between compressions. Count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4 to keep pace. Aim for 100 to 120 compressions per minute, about 2 compressions per second. Hands-on CPR is effective for most adult sudden arrests. If you're trained, you can add rescue breaths in a 32 ratio. If an AED arrives, turn it on and follow the voice prompts immediately. Don't stop. Unless professional help takes over, the person shows signs of life, or you are too exhausted to continue. Remember, broken ribs can heal, but brain damage from lack of oxygen can be permanent. You won't make things worse. Practice these steps, share this video, and be ready to be someone's hero.